Dear students, let's understand how the subsidiary books are prepared with the help of this very important question. Question say, prepare a purchase book in the books of Messrs Modern Furniture House, Lucknow, UP from the following transactions assuming CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. Dear students, understand that first of all, the dealer is dealing in the furniture, because as the name say that Messrs Modern Furniture House. So we will prepare the purchase book of Modern Furniture House and we will record all the items relating to the purchases of the furniture. Second thing, we will also record only those items which are relating and done on credit basis, that is which are not done in cash. So purchase book will record of Modern Furniture House those transactions which are done in credit and they are relating to the purchase of the furniture, and following transactions assuming CGST at the rate of 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. Here the GST rates are also given with reference to CGST 6% and SGST at the rate of 6%. Now how the transactions will be recorded in the purchase book? June 5th, first transaction say, bought from Mohanlal and Company, Kanpur, UP. This is the intra-state because the dealer is of Lucknow, UP. So he had made the purchases from the dealer of Kanpur, same state, UP. 20 Godrej chairs at the rate of 2,000 each, 5 Godrej tables at the rate of 6,000 each. Trade discount 20%. Very clearly understand, trade discount is given 20%. See here, you will write here the date, particulars, the name of the party, the purchases made, 20 Godrej chairs at the rate of 2,000, 40,000 in the retail amount column, 5 Godrej tables at the rate of rupees 6,000 each, 30,000. Total purchases made from this party of rupees, here total 70,000. Trade discount is at the rate of very simply 20%. So we will deduct 20% of this, that is 14,000 as trade discount. On the remaining amount, we have to calculate the amount of CGST as well as the SGST. Rate is given here 6% for CGST and same 6% for SGST. We will calculate on 56,000 6%, 3360, 6% again of 56,000 3360, and the total amount of purchases from Mohanlal and Company, Kanpur are of rupees 62,720. Detail is here. Cost of furniture is 56,000. Input CGST 3360 as it has been paid. Input SGST 3360 that has been paid. Total amount 62,720. Note down that CGST or SGST will be charged on the net amount, not on the gross amount, because here 20% trade discount is given. So on net amount of 56,000, the tax will be calculated. Come to the next transaction of June 10. Purchase from Bharat Bhushan and Sons, Varanasi, UP. Within the same state again, 5 almirahs at the rate of 12,000. 2 revolving chairs at the rate of 20,000 each, trade discount 10%. See here calculation. Name of the party. 5 almirahs 12,000 each, 60,000. 2 revolving chairs at the rate of 20,000 each, 40,000. Total purchase is 10,000. Less trade discount 10%, 10,000. So net purchases are of rupees 90,000. Again 6%, 5,400 will be added. 6% of SGST will be added. So total purchases are of rupees 1,800,000. That comprise 90,000 is of the cost, 5,400 is of input CGST, 5,400 is of input SGST. So here we had completed the second transaction also. Over to the third transaction. Purchase from Surya Traders, Lucknow, UP. This is also of the intrastate. So again here the CGST and SGST will be calculated. 80 desks at the rate of 2,500 each. 10 sofa sets at the rate of 20,000 each. Here trade discount is 15%. See here from Surya Traders, Lucknow, 80 desks at the rate of 2,500 each, 2 lakh. 10 sofa sets at the rate of 20,000 each, 2 lakh. Total purchases cost is 4 lakh. Less state discount 15% of 4 lakh 60,000. Net purchase cost is from this party within the state Lucknow 3 lakh 40,000. 6% CGST will be calculated of 3 lakh 40,000, 20,400. 6% SGST will also be calculated again on 3 lakh 40,000, 20,400. Total amount of purchases is 3 lakh 80,800 from Surya Traders Lucknow. So bifurcation is here given like this. Cost of purchase is 3 lakh 40,000, CGST 20,400, SGST 20,400, total again 3 lakh 80,800. Let's switch over to the next transaction. What it say? Purchased for cash from Gopi Chand Haldiram, Delhi, 4 tables at the rate of 5,000 each. Please note down that this will not be recorded in the books of account because it is purchased on cash. Why it is not to be recorded? Because it is purchased on cash. So here you see that this transaction will not be recorded here. We are not recorded. Then see here, next transaction say bought furniture for office use from New Furniture House Faridabad on credit. Noted down that here the word is given credit by mistake. It is basically, practically it is not credit, it may be the cash word or it may be interest rate which should be shown separately. So this transaction will also not be recorded in the books of account. Then you will see we will have the aggregate of the total amount of the purchases, total input CGST, total input SGST and aggregate amount of the purchases. At the end we may also write the purchase account debit to the amount of the total purchases we had done. So see here, this way we had recorded the transactions in the purchase book. You may prepare likewise on the same principle, same basis, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book. So the basic principles will remain same, just you have to change the heading and to apply the information which is given here. We will continue also again in our next class that how the journal proper is prepared and what type of the transactions are recorded in this. I hope you had understood this. I request you that first practice at least 2 illustrations from your book. One relating to the preparation of the purchase book and other is relating to the preparation of the sales book. Then we will learn how we will prepare the journal proper and what are the transactions which are recorded in that. Thank you very much for watching the video. In case you had any doubt, any problem, you may call me on my WhatsApp number. Please maintain the complete record of the assignment as well as the practice questions which you do because CBSE nowadays demands all this record. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.